Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Nissan Altima, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight might have. Okay, so to start with the installation, apply Slip Solution onto the headlight and Slip Solution onto the tint. And just start off by aligning it right on this edge first. Make sure you align the film right on the edge here, so roughly around there. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully, apply Tack Solution, and apply Tack Solution on top. Make sure it's aligned. Hold it in position and start squeegeeing to tack this section down. So first we want to tack down and secure this spot. That way we're able to stretch the film and work our way with the rest of the tint. So just secure this spot first. Let's make sure we tack everything down. Once we see that it's secured, now we come on with the rest of the film. So make sure as you're stretching the film, you align it. And right here, you're only doing a light stretch. That way you're able to just align it up to the edge here. So hold it in place and start tacking it down. Make sure just as you're tacking down, everything's aligned. All these small fingers that you see here, we will be able to remove them once we apply heat and Tack Solution. But for right now, our main focus is just tacking the whole film down. So apply Tack Solution on top too. We do have a small curve here. These fingers might come out because of the curve, but you just need to help the fingers tack down to this section here. So just take your time in installing this one. Remove the fingers little by little. So to remove these fingers here that might come up in the top portion of the headlight, you just apply Tack Solution and heat, and we work our way little by little with it. And it's just rinse and repeat until you remove all the fingers on the top section. And you would just do the same on the top piece here. So with this one, the film is not going to cover the top layer of the headlight because of the headlight design. On the top piece, it curves in and then goes up, so the tint won't have any support. We do try to install it up to the top, so it's only going to cover up to where the flat surface of the headlight is, not the curved area. So keep that in mind. Okay, pretty simple. And now the last thing to do is just post heating the whole film, so that way we help the adhesive on the film tack down more better to the headlight. And in order to post heat, just apply a Tack Solution all around the film, especially on the edges. That way the film doesn't lift. And with our heat gun, we're just gonna go all around and start sealing the top edge and any edges where the film is connecting to the edge of the headlight. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Nissan Altima. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.